Using WorldPay hosted payment page is a secure and efficient way to accept online payments from your customers. To get started, you need to have a WorldPay account and a payment page set up. First, go to the WorldPay website and log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the payment page section where you will find the hosted payment page. Settings. Here you can customize the appearance of the payment page to match your brand by uploading your logo and choosing the color scheme. Next, you need to configure the payment methods you want to offer to your customers. WorldPay supports a range of payment methods including credit and debit cards and alternative payment methods such as PayPal. Select the payment methods you want to offer and follow the prompts to configure the settings. To integrate the hosted payment page with your website, you will need to generate a payment link or a payment button. This can be done by copying and pasting a snippet of HTML code into your website. The code will redirect your customers to the WorldPay hosted payment page where they can enter their payment details securely. When a customer clicks on the payment link or button, they will be redirected to the WorldPay hosted payment page. Here they can select their preferred payment method and enter their payment details. The payment details are captured and processed securely by WorldPay, and you will receive notification of the payment outcome. Best practice is to ensure that your website is secure and that you are complying with the payment card industry data security standard. You should also ensure that you are providing clear and transparent information to your customers about the payment process and any fees that may be applicable. In summary, using the WorldPay hosted payment page is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and best practices, you can provide a secure and efficient payment experience for your customers and help to increase conversions and sales on your website.